Augmented reality or AR is a digital technology that overlays virtual content such as image, animations, video, or interactive information onto the real physical environment. In food packaging, AR is typically accessed through smartphones or mobile applications, allowing consumers to interact with digital content while viewing the actual product packaging. AR is integrated into food packaging through technologies such as QR codes, image recognition, and digital macros. When the package is scanned using a smartphone, consumers can access additional information including nutrition and ingredient details, preparation and cooking instructions, recipe demonstrations, as well as product origin and brand storytelling. However, conventional food packaging is limited by restricted label space and reliance on static text and graphics. This limitation makes it difficult to display detailed nutrition information, traceability data, or frequently updated content, and overcrowded labels may reduce readability. Augmented reality addresses these challenges by extending information beyond the physical label while maintaining clean packaging design. Overall, AR enhances consumer engagement, improves transparency, supports informed purchasing decisions, differentiates product at the point of sale, strengthens brand loyalty, and supports development of smart and digital food packaging.
I chose the brand Lindt and Sprungly Lindt chocolate bars as one of our company. The primary purposes are premium storytelling and brand education, product information and origin to visually tell the brand story, sustainable cocoa, enhance brand premium perception for Hello Bars to create playful, memorable interactions. How AR works. It is a marker-based AR experience triggered by the product packaging itself. First is the trigger. A QR code or the package design itself acts as the marker. Second, activation. User can scan it with a Blipper app or a web AR link. Third, experience. The app recognizes the pattern and overlays a real-world view of the packaging through the interactive digital animation. Relation to Malaysian food packaging and labeling regulations. First, product name. Example, Lindt Excellence Dark Chocolate. Second, net weight. Third, ingredient list. Descending order elegance are emphasized. Fourth, use by or best before date. Next, name and address of importer or manufacturer for Malaysia. Next, halal certification if claimed, a critical consideration for the Malaysian market. And the last one is nutrition information in the mandated nutrition information panel format. AR's role in Lindt chocolate bars is AR cannot replace or alter this mandatory on-pack information. It is supplementary only. Claims and representations under Malaysian law. Nutrition and health claims require pre-approval. Premium and quality claims are permissible if not misleading. Sustainability and ethical claims must be truthful and substantiated. AR's role in this Lindt AR story must align precisely with approved on-pack claims. QR codes, digital content or supplementary information. QR codes are permitted on packaging but must not obscure the mandatory labeling. Digital content accessed via QR or AR considered supplementary marketing information. The Asian guideline provides a framework. Digital info must be accurate, accessible, and not replace mandatory on-pack data. The support versus conflict. First, the support. Transparency for halal and traceability. Substantiating claims where AR can provide proof for sustainability and quality claims and aiding compliance. Clarity without clutter. Next is the conflict. Distraction from mandatory info. Like if the AR call to action is overly prominent, it could be seen as drawing attention away from critical information. Unverified digital claims. And the last one is accessibility and equity.
For the second case study, the selected brand for this is Barney, a software-shaped biscuits product by Mondelez International made of flour, eggs, milk, and chocolate without artificial colors or preservatives. The AR shows a 3D solar system and interactive quizzes designed mainly for educational and entertainment purposes, especially for children.
Scan the QR code in the pack and enter the immersive world of Planetarium, where users can interact with the planets, attend a quiz. Tap the planet to learn more.
For mandatory labeling requirements, Malaysian food laws require information such as product name, ingredients, net weight, expiry date, manufacturer details, and nutrition information to be printed on the packaging. Barney's AR does not replace any of this information. Regarding claims and representations, the AR content does not make health or nutritional claims, so it does not mislead consumers. For QR codes and supplementary information, the QR code only activates the AR experience and provides additional engagement, not mandatory details. Overall, Barney's AR supports regulation by enhancing engagement without conflicting with Malaysian food labeling laws.
Domino's AR Pizza Chef is an innovative feature in the Domino's mobile apps that used to make pizza ordering more interesting and fun. With this technology, customers can build and preview their own pizza. They can choose their crust, sauce, cheese, and toppings and see the result before they order it. The purpose of this AR in this brand is it enhances both customers and brand engagement, improve ordering confidence, increase customer engagement and enjoyment, and strengthen brand innovation image. Next, for regulatory aspect analysis, Domino's Pizza is freshly prepared made to order food, not a pre-packaged retail food. Therefore, Domino's Pizza boxes are not legally required to display full mandatory food labels. So, for the mandatory labels requirement, information is provided digitally, not on physical packaging, which is product names and description, ingredient and allergen, nutrition information, and customization details. For claims and representation, under Malaysia Food Labelling Regulation, claims and representation must not be false, misleading, or exaggerated. It also applies to digital platforms, including mobile apps and AR experiences. For QR, digital content, or supplementary information, Malaysian Food Regulation allow digital or QR link content as long as mandatory labeling information is not replaced by digital content. Digital information is accurate and non-misleading. For freshly prepared food like Domino's Pizza, digital platforms are an acceptable channel for providing additional consumer information. Next, AR ways in supporting a conflict with regulation. For supportive aspect, it helps consumers understand what they are buying by showing 3D visual of ingredient, nutritional breakdown, and usage instruction. Then it reduces risk of misrepresentation because AR Pizza is designed closely matched to the real product. For the potential conflict and risk, it can be misleading with visual representation by creating false expectation, and uncontrolled claims in digital content could violate Malaysian regulation if they are not scientifically supported.
In conclusion, augmented reality is transforming food packaging from a passive container into an interactive container, which engaging experience for consumer. Through our case study, we've seen how AR can educate, entertain, and build brand loyalty. For future trend, we anticipate AR becoming more integrated into smart packaging with features like real-time nutritional tracking, personalized recipe suggestion, and sustainability storytelling. As a smartphone user in Malaysia is rise, AR is likely to grow, especially among younger generation. Next, for challenges to face when you use AR, the first one I think is cost to developing and maintaining AR content that can be expensive for small enterprise. The second one is consumer awareness. Many shoppers are still unfamiliar with how to activate or use the AR. So for the recommendation, the first one I think a company should collaborate with other company to create affordable AR content. And the company should also include simple instruction on packaging to help user access AR content easily.